it's time to try out the new bison trimming tool. Let's see which one. Oh, that's not the one. Gotta go for the yellow. This is a new gift to me from a good friend, dear friend Abby. Yes, this is a bison loop tool. So we're gonna try it out on some margarita cups. Now I understand why nobody wants to make margarita cups out of ceramics too. Get this thing centered first. Pretty. That is pretty. Oh, but need to get a finger on top there to I'm trimming a little bit damper than I really should with this one. See if I get the right angle I want. Definitely does a nice little cut job there. Placement a little bit here. Have to trim that in a little bit more. It slices like butter. I've used bison trimming tools before. I have quite a couple of them, more flat ones. But this loop tool is one I've been kind of wanting for a while. We're gonna set that down there. So I just have to go back and get a little bit of that lovely vinegar and a brush. And one of my favorite tools, metal rib of death. I love this particular metal rib of death by this one's by Mud Tools. I've had a number of metal ribs of death. This one though, that's probably my favorite metal rib of death. We're going to take this pretty thing and place it back in its box here. One thing you definitely don't want to do is let your bison tool fall and hit the ground, because once that breaks, there's a lot of crying involved. Luckily, I've been very, I guess, judicious in not letting my metal ribs of death and my bison tools fall and hit the ground, so I still have all of mine. It's actually one of my favorite tools for a little pressure there. This is very much the same technique I would use to make my wine goblets, only I'm now making a martini glass. This martini glass is going to go for a martini set, which I'm making two different shakers, so I'm making two different martini sets. One I'm trying to make a cobbler shaker, and the other is going to be made with a Boston shaker. Of course, there will be the ceramic sieve, and because got to keep the ice out of your alcohol beverages there you don't want to have in there. A bit of finger work in here, and I still have to draw on these pieces. It is December in Mississippi, South Mississippi, which means it is extremely humid. So nothing really dries very quickly, fast, or in some cases at all, it seems like. But that is, I'm gonna break out the good old smoothie rib here. And break this down. One thing I have noticed as I have gotten a little older, a little wiser, get yourself the tools to make your life easy, and then take care of those tools. That is the main thing you want to do. Have to do a little trimming on that once this dries up a little bit more. But a little trim, a little vinegar, a little pressure, a little clean, and I should have a martini glass. That will be quite interesting. I'll do a little pressure on the inside here because, well, put a little pressure on the inside to the outside. I find that helps a lot on those particular, I learned it making the wine goblets, so now I have completed this. This will go into my damp box to dry slowly and allow me to have the time to draw on the surface and create a really interesting piece. And voila. Let that rim a little bit. But bam. One martini glass, done. 3 more to go. So, cheers to you, 2018.